I want to go into detail about the advantages of having a physical stream deck because I made a video not too long ago talking about how you could, especially if you had an iPad, you could get 6 virtual stream deck buttons for free, and you could pay $50 to $60 and get over 64 virtual buttons, which is way more than my 32 that I have here with the Stream Deck XL, link in the description below. Well, there is, in my opinion, something to be said about tactile clicking. Okay, first of all, I do want to note that technically you can wake your computer up from sleep mode by clicking the Stream Deck. So that's good. I just like the clicks though, personally. That's just me. Plus, with the physical, not only do I get to see the GIF just fine, but I don't know, it just is easier for me because anywhere I am, like let's say I move to a different profile. Let's say I go to my Final Cut Pro profile, but I need to get back to home. I just hit this button and I'm back here. I don't have to go through a different app or open a different app or look on a different device per se. I don't know. It's very hard to explain. Now, there are cheaper options. Now, actually, if you are on the budget and you can't necessarily get that XL, what I might do if I was you is to use a combination of both if you can. Like you could get a small 6-key Stream Deck Mini. I'll also put that in the link in the description below. So you could get a Stream Deck Mini and then combine it with the Stream Deck app that I mentioned in the past video. That way you would have, physical buttons for those moments, but you would also actually have more buttons via virtual buttons. So that's always an option. And I honestly just thought about that option. But yeah, let me know what you think of that option. I'm going to end it here. It was just a short video. Just wanted to share my opinions and why I think it is best to have a physical Stream Deck. I just like having the physical button to press. It just makes it a lot simpler for me instead of having to worry about a potential screen freeze or my phone or iPad dying and I not be able to push the button midstream or mid content creation. And yeah, let me know your thoughts, comment section below. And with that said, I will catch you guys in the future. Later.